Hello my friends. In this tutorial you will learn to create a bar chart as you see, and also you can learn to create a bar chart with data table. Let's start. I have this data between three countries, China, USA and Russia. That is gas emission in metric tons for year 2010 to 2018. Simply select the data and from insert select bar chart, which type you want. You can choose. I choose this one. Okay, now I have bar graph. Okay, you can add title, CO2 emission, and also access title, year, this one, unit, metric. Yes. Okay, you can change the color for each bar. For example, for USA, just select it. You see all orange one are selected and right click. Here you can change color. For example, dark blue. And China, select it and right click, choose red one. Also for Russia, you can choose black one. Okay. Also, we have from design, you have switch row column. You can show each category differently. Here, this is for China, this is for USA, and this is for Russia. Also, from design and a chart element, we have different options. Chart title, I have data label. For example, in center, it shows you the number inside bar, outside. You see, it shows the data for each country, gas emission. Also, you can choose different types data label with data table. You see, you can find see the data. I want to delete the data label above the columns here with legend. Okay, I think that's all. I hope it can be helpful. See you in next tutorial.